Have you ever noticed freshly whitewashed tree trunks in November and wondered why it's done? Many people think it is a tradition or simply for decoration, but in reality, it serves as an important protective measure for trees. Most gardeners do it incorrectly, turning what should be a vital practice into mere cosmetic work. The primary purpose of whitewashing is not aesthetic or pest control. It protects trees from sun damage and frost cracks. During late winter and early spring, sunlight can heat the dark bark of trees, especially on south-facing sides. This warmth can prematurely awaken the tree, causing sap to flow, and overnight freezing temperatures can then turn the sap into ice, damaging cells and creating longitudinal cracks known as frost cracks. These injuries are not just visual problems. They allow fungi, bacteria, and insects to invade, weakening the tree and reducing fruit yields. Whitewashing works by reflecting sunlight, preventing the bark from overheating, and reducing temperature swings, which stops premature sap flow. It's a simple yet effective protective layer, like sunscreen and a winter jacket combined. Timing is crucial. Trees should be whitewashed in November, after they have fully ended their growing season and dropped their leaves. If the process is done in spring, most of the damage has already occurred, making it mostly decorative. Proper preparation is essential. The trunk must be cleaned of dead bark, moss, and lichen because paint applied to a dirty surface will not last and will peel off easily. Any visible wounds should be disinfected before applying a high-quality protective mixture. The coating should cover the main trunk up to the first large branches, including the bases of the scaffold branches. The consistency must be just right, thick enough to stay in place but not so heavy that it cracks. Choosing the right material is also important. Traditional lime wash is cheap and breathable, while modern acrylic paints last longer, often include additives to deter pests, and provide fungicidal protection. Young trees with smooth bark should not be whitewashed. Protective wraps or coverings are better for them. Evergreen trees usually don't need whitewashing, as their bark naturally withstands temperature changes. When done correctly, whitewashing shields trees from the harmful effects of temperature fluctuations, sunlight, infections, and pests, ensuring long-term health and better yields. It is not merely a cosmetic task, but a systematic preventive measure that helps fruit trees and garden trees survive the most dangerous period of the year while remaining strong and productive.